Welcome back, and today we're gonna talk about BYD. Great Tang just officially dropped a massive bomb on the luxury automotive market, and the entire industry is scrambling to react. This is the all-new, highly anticipated 2026 BYD Great Tang, also known as the Datang, and it is a complete flagship game-changer. Officially launched on June 17, 2026, this full-size 3-row 7-seat powerhouse has already locked in over 150,000 pre-orders in China alone, and it is heading global next, aiming straight for premium buyers across Europe and the Asia-Pacific regions. Positioned right at the very top of BYD's lineup, it is engineered from the ground up to hunt down high-end luxury alternatives. But here is the absolute kicker that will blow you away. It starts at an unbelievable price of around $35,500 USD or 250,000 RMB. When you see it in person, the pure scale and commanding road presence of this machine is striking. It stretches 5,263 millimeters long, spans nearly 2 meters wide, and rides on a massive 3,130 millimeter wheelbase. But do not let that enormous footprint fool you into thinking it handles like a heavy boat. BYD has equipped the Great Tang with active rear wheel steering that pivots up to 14 degrees. That means this giant SUV has an ultra-nimble turning radius of just 5.2 meters, making it easier to maneuver and park than cars half its size. And it even features a specialized crab walk mode to slide seamlessly out of tight spots. Stepping inside the cabin feels exactly like entering a private first-class airline lounge. The interior features a spacious and comfortable 2-2-3 seating configuration. Up front, you get dual zero-gravity seats to reduce stress on your body. But the real magic happens in the second row. It features airline-style zero-pressure executive lounge seats, complete with built-in electronic ottomans, deployable work tables, and an integrated hot and cold refrigerator to keep your drinks perfect on long road trips. Looking up, you are treated to a massive sky mirror insulated glass roof that blocks out heat while letting in beautiful natural light. And if you have passengers who are prone to car sickness, BYD has engineered a brilliant, multi-dimensional anti-motion sickness mode that carefully coordinates the chassis dynamics and climate control airflow to keep everyone perfectly comfortable. The technology embedded in here is truly next level, fully powered by a cutting-edge 3-nanometer cockpit processing chip. Up front, the dashboard is dominated by a minimalist triple-screen layout, while passengers in the back get their own roof-mounted entertainment display. The audio experience is handled by a standard, ultra-premium DVLET 27-speaker, 7.1.4 surround sound system that turns the entire cabin into a moving concert hall. And when it comes to autonomous driving, the Great Tang is crowned with a roof-mounted LiDAR sensor array running BYD's God's Eye 5.0 Advanced Driver Assistance Suite, delivering highly advanced self-driving capabilities. Underneath all that luxury is BYD's advanced Super E platform, built on a revolutionary 1,000-volt electrical architecture and packed with their second-generation Blade battery. If you go with the pure electric BEV setup, you can choose from 3 variants delivering a driving range of 800, 850, or a massive 950 kilometers on a single charge. The entry-level rear-wheel drive model pushes a solid 402 horsepower, but the dual-motor all-wheel drive flagship model cranks out a mind-blowing 784 horsepower, rocketing this giant from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a sports car-shaming 3.9 seconds. If you prefer a hybrid, the DMI 5.0 and DMP plug-in hybrid variants pair a 1.5-liter turbo engine with electric motors to push up to 510 horsepower and over 1,000 kilometers of total range. To top it all off, the ride quality is floating on a cloud smooth thanks to the D'Souza intelligent air suspension, which uses road preview cameras to scan the asphalt ahead and automatically adjust damping. And when you finally run low on juice, The Great Tang's megawatt flash charging can add 200 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes, or rocket the battery from 10% to 97% in a mere 9 minutes. Bring down the seats and you open up a hydraulic 1,800 liters of cargo space. Ultimately, the 2026 BYD Great Tang isn't just a new vehicle, it is a massive wake-up call to the entire luxury automotive world, proving you can get ultra-luxury specs without the ultra-luxury price tag. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you would buy this over a traditional luxury SUV.